Hello you guys, welcome to my channel Styling with Shirin. And by the title you have read that I'm going to be showing you my Nykaa haul. I've purchased 2 boxes of products this week from Nykaa as the sale is going on, so I thought why not I make a purchase. Yeah, it is few essential things which I needed in my skincare and hair care routine. So I purchased a little bit of product which I'm going to share with you guys. So yeah, please continue watching, and if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button if you like the video. So yeah, let's get into the video. So the first box, when I open it, it has these paper which I'm gonna throw because it's of no use. But yeah, it's like a nice packaging which kind of holds my product really nicely, so I really like that about it. Then my products are wrapped in this bubble wrap, so it's kind of really nicely packed so that my product does not break. I like that. So yeah, so the first product which is in this box is Tresemme Keratin hair spray. This spray offers 5 benefits. It is anti-frizz, detangles, shines, softens, tames flyaways, and it is a heat protectant as well. And it gives up to 450 Fahrenheit heat protection. So yeah, so I really wanted a heat protection for my hairs because I usually straighten up my hair or curl my hair, so I wanted a heat protection, and this was the cheapest and the best, I can say, I looked upon, and it is a really nice quantity which I'm getting. I think it's the maximum quantity I got in this range. It's for 750, but I got it around like 500 or so. So I'll mention all the products and the prices in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And I have used it also. You can clearly tell my products are open. I've used it, so I quite like it. Yeah, you can also try this one out. It is 236 ml for 750 rupees. I think it's a great deal. Do try it out. The next thing, I was like, I needed a foundation which I can wear on daily basis. So I need something to like give my face like a sheer coverage, and is a good, and it just kind of doesn't clog my pores and also give like skincare benefits. So I came across this foundation from Faces Canada. This is in the darkest shades. There is not much collection of the shades, so it's in the darkest shade 4, sand 4. So it is a really nice foundation. It just kind of makes my skin like, you know, even toned, and I don't feel like I've applied any foundation. So I enjoy this foundation. Recommend you guys, if you are my skin tone, you can check this sand 4 shade out, and if you're lighter than me too, so you can try other shades. But for darker skin tone, I don't think they have made any. So I request Faces Canada to make more shade, because this is a great foundation for everyday wear. So yeah, you can check this one out if you are looking for a daily wear foundation. This is how it looks like. It's for 199 rupees. So the next product in this packaging is this cutesy little eyeshadow palette. I really wanted to buy an eyeshadow palette, so I got my hands on this one, this Revolution palette, London. It's their Creative Volume 1 palette, and it was for 750 rupees. I kind of really like the shades option. I'll just unpack this. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful packaging. I think this is such a creative packaging. Look at this, baby. Love this. And when you open this, you get a mirror. Yeah, this big mirror. I love mirror in my, you know, eyeshadow palettes. If it's like a big full-size mirror, who doesn't love it? So yeah, you can look at the shade collection. there is purple, blue, blacks, neutrals, some warm shades, and some shimmer and matte shade. I really want to play with I really wanted to play with colors, so I ordered this palette right here. Loving it. The next product which I got is this Aroma Treasures Brightening Sheen Mani Pedi Kit. I really wanted to try a mani pedi kit on my own, so I got this one. I'll try it and share with you guys, so please wait for that. And then next is this Biotique Bio Papaya Tan Removal Scrub. Lately I got a lot of tanning on my skin, so I really want to try a nice scrub. So yeah, I will share my review with you guys really soon. Then it's turn for the next box, and the next box offers, let's see. So the first thing which comes out is this Blackhead Remover tool pointed. It looks like this. It has this blackhead removing toe and a pointed nib on the front. So yeah, I wanted to try this out. Next thing is this Bio whitening depigmentation tan removal pack from Biotique. I will try it. I'll see if these two products work on my tanning or not, and I will share with you guys. Next up, what I ordered is this Faces Canada Stay Matte Compact Powder with Shea Butter. It's the weightless compact. I really wanted to try their weightless range, so I'll see how this product. It looks luxurious, guys. It looks really nice, and this is how it looks. And I got a puff with it, which is of no use. And this is the mirror. I think this is a great mirror because this is embedded in the packaging itself, so I really like it. And it's in the shade, I don't remember the shade. I'll mention the shade name below, so yeah, make sure you check that out. So the next thing is this eyeshadow brush from Vega. This is the eyeshadow brush from Vega. I have purchased it because of you know, doing the cut crease and blending the concealer over here and there, so I purchased this for that. The last thing is a body wash. This is from Be Well. It's their lavender almond oil body wash, and it's for like 100 rupees and 400 ml. You get 400 ml of the product for 100 rupees. So I think it's a great deal, and I've used in the past. It's a great body wash. It just lathers up so well, smells so good, and yeah, you can try it out. So yes, with that my haul completes, and I'll see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this haul, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like my video, share with your friends if you think it can help anyone. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care guys.